Today, join me for a creative adventure as I create 5 face planners in 4 minutes, each inspired by a figure from Greek mythology. First up, we have Prometheus, known in Greek mythology as a god of foresight and intelligence. He was a planner, always thinking ahead. As I shape this planner, I imagine him carefully contemplating his future, bringing wisdom to the plants he holds. So I take each piece and I start with the shape. I roll out a slab of clay, wrap it around something like this bottle. I start with the nose. I tend to go with mouth first, and I move on to the eyes. Then kind of put everything together here, and I'll have a big reveal for all 5 of these at the end. All right, looking pretty good. I'll do some final touch-ups on the eyes. Then we'll move on to Hades. Often misunderstood, Hades represents depth, mystery, and a bit of brooding nature. For this piece, I wanted a serious impression, one that reflects hidden layers and secrets. He might be a bit moody, but he holds life within him, just like the plants he carries. All right, so kind of finishing up the design, we'll use a brush here to kind of smooth things out. He needed some eyebrows, so I put those in. I think we're good. All right, next, meet Athena, goddess of wisdom and strategy. It only felt right to give this one a pair of glasses to symbolize her sharp mind and keen insight. She represents knowledge, creativity, and the pursuit of understanding. So off screen, I roll out a slab of clay. I wrap a vase in plastic so that it doesn't stick, and I make sure that everything is smoothed out. And then, like I said, I start with the nose typically. In this case, I'm jumping to the eyes. I'm going to go with whatever moves me. I wanted to add some glasses, as I mentioned. I'll show you the final reveal in the end. All right, that brings us on to Flora. Now let's bring some beauty and nature into the mix with Flora. While not strictly Greek, Flora embodies the essence of growth and life. Her face is adorned with floral elements symbolizing connection between humanity nature. So I have some flower eyes here, bring that all to life, and we'll see her in just a few moments. And last, we have Hermes, known as the messenger of the gods. Hermes represents speed, creativity, and communication. And for this planner, I aimed for a playful and expressive face, a reminder to keep things light and fun, especially in the wild world that we live in. All right, I was on a glasses kick, so I decided to add some glasses to this one as well. I just think it looks really fun, the way that it plays against the glaze. So I've got some final touches here, and then we are ready. All right, first up, we have Prometheus, the planner known for his foresight. And next we have Hades, the brooding one, representing depth and mystery. Up third, we have Athena, the wise one with the glasses, symbolizing knowledge and wisdom. Flora, a nod to the goddess of flowers and nature. And Hermes, the swift, creative one representing communication ingenuity. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe and check out other videos. Have a great day.